this time, this book still just exists in Microsoft Word docx format. So let's convert it. And it's just as simple as clicking the Convert button. And here we have the input format, and it knows docx because that's the only version it has. And here's the output format that we can choose from. We're going to choose Epub, but all of these are actually potentials. But we are going to choose Epub. Just a quick check to make sure that everything is as we want, especially our tags. And we do have our tags correctly, so that's great. And just click the OK button. And you can't see it because it's hidden from the screen down here, but there's a little wheel that's spinning as the job is working. And very soon it's going to populate this area here and say Epub when it's done. And there it is. There's the Epub version. If you want it at any time, you could right-click on this and then save it somewhere to your computer, obviously a folder that you know where it is. We might do a little work to ours, so we're not going to save it just yet. We could click the View button and view the Epub. And this is kind of cool. This is what it's going to look like on most e-reading devices. And you can click the Next Page button. And then just scroll through it. And these hyperlinks will work whether they're to a place in the document or whether they go to an actual website. So for example, if we clicked on the first chapter, it will go there. And so that's really cool. There's also a table of contents feature here that you can click on, and it will show the table of contents. And again, this is going to work if you've formatted your book correctly with either type of table of contents, whether it's Amazon's KDP method or whether it's a manual inserting hyperlinks method that's more universal. Obviously, it's a really good idea to go through your book page by page if you want, or chapter by chapter, and you can either scroll through it like this, basically dragging the bar down, or you can just click on the tabs here. And one thing for me that's important to always check is where I end up having images or something. So for example, at the About the Author page, and I'll X out of this table of contents, I just want to check to make sure that things look right and function well. All of these are active hyperlinks. So for example, if I clicked on this Twitter image, then the browser is going to go to that Twitter page. So that's really cool. And obviously, you can just keep clicking the next page just to get a feel for how your back matter is looking, as well as the rest of the document. And this is all really smart stuff to do. We're going to X out of this for now. All right, now maybe you want to make some changes to your document. And that's what's great about Calibre, is you can also edit your book within the system. And that's what we're going to work on next.